Hi folks, I am doing something that's rather off the cuff. It's going to be unedited. Um, it's got to be put up ASAP to be honest. So yeah, we're going to be talking about this government alert alarm thing. The purpose, the idea of it to be good. I'm still to see the good, right? Uh, when they got this introduced, they have broken multiple data protection laws to get us to actually happen in the first place. But anyway, we're not here to talk about the legalities. Dot 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 dot. Yeah. Now I want to get straight into the punchline as quick as humanly possible. The alert comes through on Android and iOS devices. You can turn it off. Let me guide you through it. Right, okay. Go straight into settings, and that applies to both iOS and Android. And then you type in emergency, search for it. So basically, you use the search box to look for emergency, and you click emergency alerts, right? And you'll see what seems to be a list and a wee slider button. You basically just turn it all off, and you will be emergency alert by the British government alert free. Pass it all over the place. Get it in your WhatsApps and everything else. But ultimately, you can be free of the government bullshit alarm.